Hi and welcome to another unboxing video. We've got a really cool box this week, so let's dig right in. We have Meet Cute Diary, The American Story, Conversations with Master Historians. We have The Sweet Bloods, little easy reader, Pixie Tricks, the Pet Store Sprite, Pat Le Chat, Godzilla graphic novel, picture book, If Only, another picture book, I Really Want to Win, The Princess Rules, It's a Prince Thing, The Trader's Blade, The Relatives by Camilla Gibb, The Good Father by Wayne Grady, The Last Gate of the Emperor, Sunflower Sisters, You Love Me, Fearless, oops, there go the new books, That Summer, Eternal, Realm Breaker, Paula McLean, When the Stars Go Dark. Oh, we have two Danielle Steels here, Neighbors and Finding Ashley. Heartstopper, a talking book, You Let Me Go, another talking book here, The Cold Millions. Let's see, we're getting to the bottom now. We have a CD, Revolutionary Love, Annie DeFranco. What's down at the bottom here? We have an Anne Perry, Death with a Double Edge. We have a Mary Alice Monroe, The Summer of Lost and Found. A John Sanford, Ocean Prey. Bare Bottom. Stuart Woods, Double Jeopardy. The Princess Rules. We have Love, Sugar Magic. 3 more items. Oh, an Alexander McCall Smith, Your Inner Hedgehog. The Benefits of Being an Octopus. And last, we have a DVD, Ice Cold in Alex. All right, thanks for joining me. If you'd like to place anything on hold, give us a call or an email and we can do curbside pickup.